The 14th Amendment in plain English. The 14th Amendment was adopted on July 9, 1868. This amendment was part of the Reconstruction Amendments, which helped the reconstruction of the American South after the Civil War. The 14th Amendment defines national citizenship and forbids the states to restrict the basic rights of citizens or any other persons. This amendment existed to protect freed slaves' rights from being denied by all states, especially Southern ones. Under the 14th Amendment, there are three clauses: the Citizenship Clause, the Due Process Clause, and the Equal Protection Clause. The Citizenship Clause, also referred to as the Naturalization Clause, represented the reversal of Congress's decision on the Dred Scott v. Sanford case, which declared that African Americans were not and could not become citizens of the United States or enjoy any of the privileges and protections of citizenship. The Due Process Clause prohibits state and local governments from depriving persons of life, liberty, or property without certain steps to make it fair. The Equal Protection Clause requires each state to provide equal protection under the law to all people. Many court cases have occurred because of the 14th Amendment. Among them include the famous court case Brown v. Board of Education of Topeka in 1954, which was based off of the Equal Protection Clause. This case later dismantled racial segregation in the United States. There are many cases involving the Due Process Clause, such as Luckner v. New York and Adkins v. Children's Hospital. These cases struck down on maximum hours for workers and the minimum wage. Although there has been a multitude of court cases surrounding the topics of the 14th Amendment, it protected the rights of African Americans and continuously forbids the states from restricting our basic rights. This amendment helps our government comply with all men are created equal.